Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix TikTok app not working. So let's get started. So if you want to fix your TikTok app which is not working, now to fix that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First what you can do is just simply head over to your TikTok application, and from here just simply tap and hold on your TikTok and then tap on this eye icon which will pop up. And from here what you have to do is just simply tap on storage and cache and then clear your cache. After clearing your cache, now what you can do is just simply come back, and after coming back now you have to check if it's working. But if it's still not working, then what you can do is just simply check if you have turned on any VPN. So what you can do is just simply open up your settings application, and after opening up your settings now you just have to tap on network and internet, and inside the network and internet just simply tap on advanced and you will find VPN option. So now if your VPN is turned on, then over here you will find that it's enabled. So what you have to do is just simply go ahead and then disable your VPN, and after disabling all your VPNs you should fix the problem. And after doing that, now you just have to go ahead and then check if that fixed the problem. But if that didn't fix the problem, then it might be because you have not updated your TikTok. So what you can do is just simply go ahead and then update your TikTok application. Now in order to update your TikTok, what you have to do is just simply tap on the search bar which is on the top and then search for TikTok. And after searching for TikTok, now here if you'll find a update option, then what you have to do is just simply go ahead and then update your TikTok, and that should fix the problem. But if that still does not fix the problem, then what you can do is just simply open up your TikTok application, and after opening up your TikTok application just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and after tapping on that just simply tap on the three bar icon and then tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on your settings and privacy, just scroll all the way down and you will find free up space option. Just simply tap on free up space, and over here you can just simply tap on clear and then again tap on clear. So you just have to clear your cache and then clear your downloads. So you can also manage your traps by tapping on manage, and then you can clear your traps if you have saved any. So after doing all this you should fix the problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix TikTok app not working. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.